everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I am Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. If you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. This is going to be a short video to introduce something that I want to do, and I need your feedback. So listen up carefully so that you can help me figure out how I should proceed next, okay? It has been a very hectic week for me. Believe it or not, our house sprung a leak. The water pipe that goes to the air conditioning unit is located in the attic of the house. And something happened and it broke. Needless to say, when that happens, all of the condensation ends up pooling together at the bottom of the unit, which then overflowed and started to cause a leak in the ceiling. It was pretty significant and it was coming down pretty fast because it's been very, very hot here. So yesterday, I believe our max was 95. Today, it was supposed to be a little cooler and it was about 91. So yes, we've been running our air conditioning quite a bit to keep it cool in the house. Because that was the source, we ended up having to turn the air conditioner off and use our ceiling fans, which, as you guys may know, the use of the ceiling fan is okay, but it's not really adequate. So as a result, we were really, really hot. Okay. So we did get it fixed today. Thank goodness it's fixed. And now things are cooler, but it's just been such a challenge and, no complaints at all. I'm so thankful. It actually could have been worse, right? So I'm just very thankful that that was the only thing. Now we're going to have to get some work done in the house because part of the ceiling started to fall where the water was constantly dripping on it. So, that's okay. We'll get that done and, all is going to be just well. Now, this is what I need you guys to help me out with. More recently, I got some Happy Mail and I want to start working on some of the things that I got from the Happy Mail. So this is just one, and then there will be another one coming up very soon, okay? Because I want to just start working on this stuff. So this one was from Birdie P, okay? She included this in a pampering and craft kit, and this is a little fox. Now, let me show you what comes in this beautiful kit. So let's go through it and see what's in it, okay? Okay, in the kit, there is this beautiful yarn here, okay? I'm gonna assume that this is for the main part of the fox. There is a small amount of white yarn, okay, to contrast. And then there's an even smaller amount of black yarn, okay, for the detailing, right? So these three colors. Then there is a package of the polyfill. There is a crochet hook and a needle. And then there is a set of double pointed needles. So now that means that I can do one of two things. I can knit the fox or I can crochet the fox. All right. So let's see if they have a picture of the fox. Okay, so this is the crocheted fox. This is the picture of the crocheted fox, if you can see that. Okay. And then this is the picture of the knit fox. All right. So crocheted or yeah, or knit. All right. So that's what I need your help with. Which one should I do? Should I do the crocheted one or should I do the knit one? You guys help me figure that out. Please go ahead and put a comment in the description box below. Let me know, should I knit the fox or should I crochet the fox? Okay. And then I'll do a follow-up video with whatever you guys decide. Okay. I think that'll be really fun. Okay. So please leave a comment in the comment section below, letting me know which one you think I should make. Okay. All right. So that's all I had. Like I said, it's going to be quick. It's just been really chaotic. And I was all hot and bothered, all yesterday and part of today because of the um, repair that we had to get done on the air conditioner. But again, I'm just so very grateful that it was not any worse than it was. And it's all fixed now. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at our puzzle solution for the video that had a puzzle in it. And this is what I came up with. And here is the puzzle for today. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it up there for a little bit longer. I did get a little bit of feedback from some of you guys that you didn't necessarily have enough time to copy down the letters for the puzzles. And that's good information for me. So if I leave it on maybe twice as long as I left it before, hopefully that will help so that you can jot the letters down. Okay, so just keep in mind that you just want to find at least one 6-letter word, one 5-letter word, one 4-letter word, and one 3-letter word. And if you can find more, fantastic. Okay. So I do love you guys participating. I want to say thank you so much for, just watching my videos, giving me a thumbs up, leaving feedback. It is so, so helpful. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go so that I can get a little rest and enjoy the coolness. Okay. I want each and every one of you to be mindful, to do everything you can to be at your best health. And by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye-bye now.